So how you can copy a game in Roblox? You're not gonna believe that this is going to work until you watch the whole video. So first of all, what you have to do is search the game that you want to copy. For example, I'm gonna search Grow a Garden. After searching the game, click on it and right click here on the play button. Go to inspect and after that, go to this network section here. If you are on Chrome, you will find this option almost here. So tap on network and after that, click on refreshing this page. And when this page is being refreshed, click on this red dot. After that, scroll up and scroll up to the top until you find the name of the game that you are trying to copy. Right click on it, go to copy and click on copy all as PowerShell. After that, close all of this, open a new tab and go to Google. Now search here Logs Hub Game Copier and hit the search button. And the very first website which appears up, you have to click on it. And here in this box, you have to right click and click on paste and simply click on copy game. In this way, your game will be copied and easily downloaded. So that's how you copy a game in Roblox. Please put a positive comment.